Hi there, this is Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, and welcome to today's video update. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Good to have you here. If you've been following me, well, welcome back, and you know what to expect. Those of you who are new, it's about wealth creation and action, an investor's journey in creating wealth using an investment portfolio in the cryptocurrency space. Now, this was started May or June last year, 2020. And you know, we watched it grow, just leaving it really. We're just watching it grow. It's been correctly selected. Research has been done, so there's nothing really to do. Just leave it and watch it grow. But I decided in February 2021, this year, to start just documenting it on a daily basis. But I didn't document from last year. I only started from this year, and I decided to also video the documentation, just documenting the figures, how well it's done over the previous day, and so on and so forth. And then that's the first part of the video. Then the second part, I'll talk about a few things. I'll talk about some lessons, whether it be mindset, investing strategies, just things to understand about an investor's journey, and also offer a way in which you can start your own journey. So watch this video to the end. And before I continue, I'm going to do my disclaimer. So I'm not a financial planner, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an accountant or CPA. So do your own research, your own due diligence. Also, regarding investment, do understand that all investing can be risky, so do not invest more than you can afford to lose. So with that said, I'm going to go share my screen and go to my screen, go to my spreadsheet, and update today's figures. Green button. So this is the spreadsheet I've been using. It consists of 3 columns, the altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals. And what we have here is we've got the green and red. So the green represents when it has moved forward on the previous day. As you can see, sometimes it moves forward, when it moves forward, and we color that green. And on the red, it represents when it's gone backward on the previous day. So sometimes we get a nice week of it going forward consistently, and then we get it going backwards, and it goes forward and backwards for 3 days, and then forward for 1 day and backward for 1 day, and forward for 1 day, backward for 1 day, and then forward for another week. These trends always happen, very, very interesting trends, and after a while they start to create a kind of a pattern, a predictable pattern actually, that you could actually read in conjunction with some other information. So if we continue going down, you see we've got 3 days backwards, 3 days forwards, 3 days backwards, 2 days forward. So it's pretty interesting. So anyway, where we are at the moment, we're down here on the 15th of July. Yesterday was the 14th, so 2021. And the last 3 days have gone back a bit, mostly, although there's been a bit of a change. But I still think it's a continued downtrend. So I get my figures from this day, from this page, and this particular portfolio comes from a live feed here. This live feed comes in through one of the asset groups, and then we get the final figures here. So it consists of 1 whole Bitcoin and a selection of specially selected alternative coins. And you can see I put majority of my money within the alternative coins rather than just in Bitcoin. This is the total at the top. And on the right hand side, the middle here, we've got the same portfolio, just in pound sterling or Great British pound or GBP. So that's the same portfolio. So I'm going to take this figure here, 101,723.41. 101,723.41. And 101,723.41. 101,723.41. If I bring this down, that's minus 3,000. So it's 3,000 gone down, 3,672 on yesterday. And the total figure at the top is 133,513.59. 133533.59. I think. Let's check that. Double check that. 513, not 513. 5313. 59, is that 59 still? Yeah, that's great. So that's that, and that obviously has gone 155, 133. Got my numbers right here. 155, 133. Right. 133. So let's pull that down. That's also down yesterday. So that's $4,706.54 down on yesterday, and Bitcoin therefore is 1,000. So I can go down to minus 1,000. I can be in red as well. 1,034 down on yesterday. Make that. So that's fine. That's all good. It's all part of the journey. Okay. You know, because this is a long-term journey, an 18, you know, I would say over 2.5 year journey. So it really doesn't matter what happens on a day-to-day basis like this. I know where Bitcoin is going, and but before it gets there, it has to do all these kind of ups and downs. What I want to talk about today is really not to take this opportunity for granted, you know, because people get so caught up in the present and to forget where they're coming from and how good things have been and how good things really are, you know. And so don't take this opportunity for granted. This is an incredible opportunity, all right? And I want to give you, explain to you what I mean by don't take it for granted. And you understand, because we have come so far. We've got a long way to go. We're still early. This is early days, but we've come so far. Some amazing things have happened. This has just been amazing, and amazing journey in cryptocurrency. And it's a pity I wasn't with it in the beginning, but the journey, you know, studying the journey, you really appreciate how far things have gone. But if you don't study, you don't appreciate how far things have gone. Come, let's go to the. Let's share my screen again. Share screen. Let's go to this page here. So this is CoinMarketCap, and you know, you can see there are a lot of cryptocurrencies here. 80% of them are all rubbish, but you know, we've got Bitcoin at the top here, 31,784, which, yes, is falling from a height of 64,000 something. And you might say, oh, this is terrible. This is the end of Bitcoin. This is not very good. You have to understand where things are coming from before you start saying that things are not very good. Things are excellent, because this particular page here, I was bringing up these figures and looking at the historical. Back in 2013, April the 28th, this is what Bitcoin was. Bitcoin was $134 a coin. Ethereum didn't even exist. Okay, Bitcoin was $134 per coin at that time. Litecoin existed. That was 435. And then, you know, well, there's only seven coins here. Okay, most of them are probably dead today. Don't exist. Okay, but Bitcoin is still here. Litecoin is still here as well. Look, Litecoin 435. What was Litecoin today? 125. Okay, but Bitcoin, look at what Bitcoin is. It's 31,000. You know, let's talk maybe later in the year. Let's say the summer. But what about now? What do we know? This is the 15th. Let's say the 14th of July. So this time in 2013, what was Bitcoin? Bitcoin went down to $94 per coin. I mean, that was fantastic. Wouldn't you love to have gone back there? So they had a downward trend, okay, and it had gone down from $134 to $94. You see? Is that the end of Bitcoin? These guys were very, very strong and very, very resilient in those days. They had a strong constitution because most people would have quit and said, that's the end of it. I'm out of here, you know? But you know, if you would have told them one day Bitcoin would be $31,000, they must have thought you were crazy. Okay, let's come forward maybe a couple of years and look at this similar time. Let's just look at, let's go to April again, 2015. Now Bitcoin is at $236. Okay, $236. Still no, not Dogecoin here. There's some other coins here, but there's no sign of. Maybe there's Ethereum. Maybe it's way back down. I don't know. Ethereum, but Ethereum was launched in 2015, but maybe we're too early. Okay, but majority of these coins are not available, not around today. XRP is around, Litecoin is around, Dash, Stellar, but look at Bitcoin, 236, only 14 million. That's right, circulating supply, yeah. Market cap, 3 billion market cap. What was it, the first one I showed? The market cap here is 1.4. Oh. Yeah, 1.4 billion market cap. You know, we're talking about 500, 600 billion market cap today. So just appreciate, like this. Where did Ethereum come in? I think Ethereum must have been here around this time. Let's just do early. Ethereum was here, $43. There's I think, let's go back. There's another one. I saw Ethereum earlier. I think it must have been 2016 then. Let's see. Let's go to July 2016. Ethereum, $11. Can you imagine Ethereum, $11? You know, $11 per Ethereum, for one Ethereum, $679 for Bitcoin. Now Ethereum is, you know, 1,900. Can you imagine buying this for $11? 600 something dollars. What was it? Yeah, $11.16 and $679. You know, compared to this. So be grateful. Okay, don't be so, oh, it's gone down. This is an incredible asset that has really moved. Okay, and these people back then, they could only dream. They wouldn't even. Where is it gone? They wouldn't even dream that one day would be worth even $100 for this. Nearly, you know, 1,000, around 2,000, and Bitcoin as well. That one day, guys, don't worry, 600 and something. Don't worry, it will one day be worth, you know, over 20,000, 30,000. They'll think you're nuts. It's a market cap there of 10 billion. You know, where's it? Let's go. Yeah, maybe this was a peak of a time. I think, wasn't it somewhere around when Bitcoin peaked? December, January. Let's see. It's when December Bitcoin had a peak. Well, it was really climbing there. You see, look at these peak times here. It's when during the last peak, there's 16,000 Bitcoin with 270 something billion market cap. Ethereum, you know, 1,100 with 111 billion market cap. You know, even Litecoin's gone up a bit there. So, you know, it's pretty interesting that where these things has come from. When you start understanding, you know, the historical where Bitcoin has come from. So be patient. You know, yes, this is tremendous success. To actually understand what you're looking at. This is tremendous success of what Bitcoin, when you see where Bitcoin came from. Where's the first one I picked up? 134. and no Ethereum. From 134, you know, even a place where it was $96, $94, and we're now talking about $31,000. Okay, don't take this opportunity for granted, because one of these days in the future, we'll be looking back at now, July 2021, and you're looking at one day Bitcoin used to be $31,000, and at that time it will be well over $1 million, and people will not even believe it used to be $31,000. So for you right now, who have the opportunity and it's $31,000, take advantage of it. I'm not saying you have to buy a whole Bitcoin, but take advantage of this industry. You know, that's why, you know, this portfolio here, and also not to talk about the specially selected altcoins. Take advantage, because these altcoins are not going to be at the price they are forever. One day they too will grow massively. You won't be able to get them at that time. That's why I know that, and that's why we invested into them. We talk about basically to help you really get into an opportunity that can really help you. I've put together a free course. There's two parts to this course. One is the mindset. Let me just share my screen here. One is the mindset. You need a particular mindset in order to be successful. Because despite this wonderful growth of Bitcoin, still 95% of people didn't make money. Why is that? Because of the wrong mindset. So yes, it's going to grow even further and going to make that 31,000 look like $134. But if you're not in the right mindset, you won't make any money from it. So first of all, get your mindset right. And I'm talking about developing a wealth and prosperity mindset. And we put together a free course to help you do that. And then also to get your finances in order, so that money is no longer a problem for you to accumulate wealth, because you've got your finances in order. Again, this is also a free course. So I'm going to show you exactly where you can get access to them. Jump into the course, do exactly what I show you in the videos. I use free resources and show you exactly with the video how I use these free resources. And get your mind and your financial circumstances in order. Get the financial discipline, get a basic investment plan, and then we'll show you how to get it, you know, invited to the advanced investment plan. But this is where you need to go. Let me just, you need to go to www.IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. People who make it, or the people who understand the game of money. What you need to do is scroll down to this form here. Get your millionaire mindset and investment strategy free now. Fill in the form and I'll send it to you immediately. Start applying it. And once you've started applying it, after a week or so, again, apply it diligently. Don't cheat yourself. Okay, don't kid yourself. Then you can come back and find out more. Send us an email about the altcoins, and we get you in a free webinar and show you how and why, the reason why I invested the majority of my money in certain altcoins. And we get you on a free webinar, you get information about that. But you know, time is going, and Bitcoin is going to move along regardless whether you do anything or not. So you know, I'm on the train. You can decide to get on the train or not, or stay on the platform thinking about it. But it's your choice. Whatever you decide, it's up to you. I wish you the best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. And don't forget, there's a link to the site, by the way, below this video. There's always a link below this video. And also go back and watch previous videos. You'll get a lot out of them, especially the lessons that are after the update. Okay, so with that, have a great day, and I shall speak to you in the next video. Bye.